Oh, the weather outside is frightening, though it's mostly lightning. But since we got no place to go, we're gonna talk scenarios. Yeah, guys, look at this. I got about a foot and a half. I'm snowed in. And if you're in the Midwest, then you probably are too. If you're not in the Midwest and you're on the West Coast, you're either in a bad way or choking from smoke. And well, on the East Coast, you're probably just cold. But I know we got some crazy friends out there that can still get out. And I got a lot of crazy friends that still just want to know what we can do when it snows. And what we're going to do is, well, we're going to talk some scenarios because hopefully by Saturday this mess will have cleared out and we can go do our Saturday shopping just like normal, hopefully. Okay? But before we begin, well, all of us, we need a little prayer. All of us. So, Lord, thank you for this beauty. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. And we are grateful. We are for the beauty of it. But we need your grace and your mercy because some of us are ill-equipped and it's a danger. So please watch over those who are in peril or in need. Take care of their needs. Those that are not in this icy weather and then are in the heat, take care of them, Lord. Please, please, please. Send rain where it needs to go. Send sunshine where it needs to be. Okay? Blessings to all that need it. Know, and I mean know, in your heart that it will be done because He promised us. So, blessings. Amen. And well, let's talk about some scenarios. We're going to go in the house where it's a little bit warmer and maybe have a cup of tea. We got birds singing though. Don't know if you can hear them, but we got birds a singing. All right, guys, now that we've had our morning entertainment, let's talk about some deals. Those of you that can get out to the store, that's wonderful. For those of you who are snowed in or for whatever reason can't get out to the stores, we've got Saturday still. So we're going to work some scenario magic. So let's talk about this right here because we got a new coupon for this. And we've got so many different ways to use it, okay? But we have a way to use it that, is not our, it is our usual way, but not quite. Now, you see, you got the Pepsi's 2 liters, 3 for $6, okay? Well, on the back of your ad here, next to the buy one, get one free of the Dunkin' coffee, if there is any more in your stores. We haven't gotten a restock yet. So just keep that in mind. If you do get a restock, pick it up. We've got a sale for 5 for $5 on the Mug and Starry, Crush, and Sweps. Now, Starry is included in the Pepsi products, okay? So, you can do this as far as using your $3 off coupons. You can pick up 5 of these 2 liters, but at least one of them needs to be a Starry. So 5 of these 2 liters is better than 3 of these 2 liters. Just saying. Okay, so let's look at some of these deals right here. We got the Chicken Scratch and Math page. Let's save you some money. Now, y'all know I try to bring you different deals than everybody else because, everybody's always doing the laundry deals. Everybody's always hopping on the glitches. And a lot of it way before I even get to it because I'm working a job these days. So I try to find you the deals that other folks either aren't paying much attention to or, it's just not the norm. Let's just say. Kind of goes, on the back burner. But there's still things that we actually need, okay? And that we use on a regular basis. So that being said, we are going to talk about this deal that everybody else is talking about. I haven't talked about it yet because we've done it so many times in the last few weeks that if you're not new here, you know what to do with this coupon. Okay, but there is so many ways to do this coupon. I thought we'd look at some math and some different scenarios, and maybe one of these scenarios is just what you need. Now, if you're not new here, you know what this is. This is my chicken scratch. If you're new here, well, this is where all those wonderful scenarios and deals comes from, is from these notebooks. And I used to rewrite this stuff over and over and over again. I just don't have time anymore. And y'all are my friends. Y'all are smart folks. So here we go. If you can't make it out, let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to reiterate. The cheapest deal that you've got with this coupon is a 1 liter bottle of Mountain Dew or Pepsi and a mini can of the Doritos or the Cheetos, okay? Like this. Now these are $2.69. Now in some cases they're on sale. I think 2 for $4. But I think what happens when you ring them up to 2 for $4, or try to give them 2 for $4 and do this deal, they just go back to regular price. So just go ahead and get the one if you want the cheapest outcome here, or a good filler. And that's $4.48. You're going to get $3 coming off of that. That leaves you an out-of-pocket of $1.48, guys. So next up, well, like I said, we're going to talk about these 5 2-liters right here. You're going to pick up 5 of them. One of them needs to be a Starry. 2 of the Lay's regular potato chips for $6. That $3 is going to kick in at that point. You're at $11. Your final out-of-pocket is going to be $8 for 7 items. And that's a winner chicken dinner. Now, next up, if you don't like those kind of 2 liters, you still can do the Pepsi 3 for $6. Do the 2 Lay's potato chips for $6. You'll get that $3 off. Your total is $12, so your final out-of-pocket will be $9 for 5 items. Next, we're getting a little bit higher here. And we've got 4 of those buy 2, get 2 chips. That's the Cheetos, Tostitos, and Fritos. You're between $9.50 and $10. So, and then you're going to pick up the 1 liter Mountain Dew for $1.79. You're going to get your $3 off of $11.78. Your final out-of-pocket for this will be $8.78. Now, like I said, everybody's got different needs and, well, different chips and stuff they like. So I tried to give you a good variety. And, of course, you can mix and match this coupon whatever way you like. But these are just some ideas. Now, if you like Doritos, you can do the 2 for $7 Doritos. You have $1 off. And then the 1 liter Mountain Dew, you're at $8.79. $4 will be coming off of this one. And your out-of-pocket will be $4.79. Now, if you don't like Doritos, you can get your Lay's potato chips minus the $1 off. They'll still come out to be the same price of $4.79 for that deal. Now, these deals here are not 5 off 25 scenarios. They're just any day scenarios if you can get to the store, okay? If not, or if you want to incorporate them into your 5 off 25 scenarios, you can do so like this as well. Let's look at this first deal for the 5 off 25. For Saturday, we're going to do the 2 for $14, 12 packs of Pepsi for $14. You got a $3 off manufactured coupon for that. The 4 chips for $10, you got a $3 off. That's going to kick in because you bought the Pepsi coupon, and that's your Dollar General store coupon. Your Facebook. Oh my goodness. Your Febreze small spaces for $3.25. Keebler cookies for $3.50. You got a $1 earn on them. It's going to make them $2.50. And then you're going to add a $1 Pepsi can. And the reason why is because in this scenario, there is 2 $3 store coupons. So we've got to go over by $31. Excuse me, go over to $31 to cover the 6 that we have in store coupons. So our other 5 off will kick in. So you can just add a can of Pepsi or a can of Mountain Dew for $1, and it's going to bring you to where you need to be. Now your final out-of-pocket for everything, including adding this $1 to this, is going to be $17.45, not $16. So your cost of each of these items is going to be about 56 cents a piece, guys. And that's a winner chicken dinner deal. So your final out-of-pocket for 30 items. Yes, 30 items, because we're going to count the individual cans of Coke because we know exactly how much they sell for. And we can purchase them separately, so we're going to count them as a separate multi-pack type item. So we're going to get 24, all total 30 items, and it's going to be 54 cents a piece. Now that is an awesome price for a canned soda, and it is a phenomenal price for a bag of those chips. So this is a definite winner deal right here for Saturday. Next up, we're going to do the Nabisco. 2 of those Velveeta or Velveeta cookies, whichever way you want to pronounce it. They're on sale 2 for $7. You got $1.50 earns on 2. You're going to pick up 2 Oreo 6-packs. That's going to put you at $9. That's going to give you your $3 off for your Nabisco products. Now, those little 6-packs are those little long individual packs, okay? They're $1.15 a piece. They have 6 cookies in them. And then you're going to pick up the 2 12-packs for $14, and your buy 2 get 2 chips for $10. You're at $33.30. All total coming off, including your earn, is $15.50. Your final out-of-pocket for this deal is $17.80 for 32 items, or 55 cents an item. Goodness gracious, winner. Snack time after your chicken dinner. Okay, let's talk about this deal right here, guys. This is, well, it's a full-on grocery list. The out-of-pocket's a little high, but the individual price for the items is, well, very good. You're going to pick up that 5 2-liter deal. One of them must be a Starry. This one, guys. One of them must be a Starry. So you're going to pick that up. 3 SpaghettiOs for $3. 3 Progresso soups for $5. Those 4 buy 2 get 2 chips. A Kraft macaroni and cheese for $1.25, and 2 of the Northside cups right here. And 2 of those Northside's cups for $5. You're at $29.25. Okay, it's because we have to cover that store coupon. You got $11 in coupons coming off. You're at $18.25 out of pocket for 18 items, guys. Now that's a winner chicken dinner. It's $1 and a penny an item, something like that. Maybe 2 pennies. Yep, $1 and maybe 2 pennies. So that is a awesome deal. So there you go. You got several ways to do this deal. I mean, there's so many ways. It's mind-blogging. The combinations, you could be at it forever. So whatever way suits your needs, use that coupon accordingly. Now, just a little heads up news. Stay tuned. We got new PG paper coupons out, and I'm going to tell you where to go and get them. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video coming up. Like I said, it's a new year, and we're rolling a whole new way. Invite your friends over, guys. Please and thank you. I love you bunches. Don't forget to show the video. Well, show with that love. Blessings.